Hey everyone, what is up again? I'm doing another video for the series 151 Pokemon made from arts and crafts. And today we are making Metapod, the cocoon Pokemon. It is number 11 in the Pokedex. I'm going to do this with the rest of them. And since I did not do Pikachu, I will do those in a YouTube short. Their name, their classification, I guess, and their Pokedex number. So, the supplies I have today, because the rubber cement doesn't really go well with foam, but the spray glue is it just really kind of soaks the paper. So like if you want like a shadow, like kind of spray it in that area. But if you don't, I would recommend using a different glue, which is why today I'm going to see if Elmer's glue works, because that's what I'm gonna do. Because that's what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with the first stage.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Whoa. So this is Metapod. I tried to make it look as accurate as I could, but kind of looks like flat, but like when you hold him like that, he's not flat. And in the drawing, he's at an angle like this. He's not like this. He's like this. So it doesn't matter. So what I did is I looked at my reference and I copied all the details. And I'm gonna have that is the face. That is the face of someone who works very hard and gets paid very little. Anyway, with Metapod working 9-hour shifts, I feel bad for him. So we're gonna make him the best Metapod I can make with my skill set. So, we are going to do a hard thing to do. We're going to Sharpie everything. And if we do that, I can't make any changes. So, here we go. So, I've basically finished the Metapod. I just got to glue up a few places. Wait for that to dry. But it technically is finished. This is my Metapod, and this is Pokemon's Metapod. I mean, it's close, so I don't really care, I guess. It looks good, in my opinion. If you think it looks bad, then you're kind of right. But I did the best I could with the materials I could. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Pew pew.